Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open bank account online on Commonwealth Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Commonwealth Bank. Now we can see Commonwealth Bank is now called CommBank over here. So let's tap on this. If we scroll, we can see this banking option. So let's go for banking and saving accounts. Now to view different accounts, simply click on see all everyday accounts over here. And let's click on open now. And choose the type of account you want. So let's go for new CommBank customer. So let's click on open now. Now simply click on get started. Now choose the type of account you want and simply click on next. Now at first we need to enter all of our personal details here, that is our title, name, and simply click on next. And after this we need to enter other details like employment details, identification details, and contact details. After all of our details are done, we get into next step, that is ID check, in which we need to provide our ID, that is identity cards, and the verification of given details will be done. Once the verification is done, we get into next step and our account will finally be created. So that is all we can do to open bank account online of Commonwealth Bank. So that's all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.